Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Miss 𝕡𝕦𝕣𝕡𝕠𝕤. You're tapped in for your mindset, your wellness, and your transformation. The last video I posted was back in February of 2021. I haven't been here in a minute. I haven't been on social media for a while. I am coming back on this YouTube platform. I am coming back with my podcast, and I'm getting back into the groove of what I'm supposed to be doing. I had to take a break for that time frame, and a lot of things have transitioned in my life. A lot of things have transitioned with me spiritually, mentally, and just overall, just making that shift and putting myself in position is what I've been working on. And ultimately 2021 had a whole lot to do with that. I'm a different mindset in regards to like what life has taught me. The Most High that I believe in and what He has created for us to do has a meaning behind it. You know, despite what this world wants to hand us out, the cards that are being handed out for us to play, we don't have to play that game. I'm hoping to come and continue my works, my purpose, and my passions, creating content for the mindset, wellness, and transformation, so we can tap into the 8 dimensions of wellness, which is so vital for our personal growth and just overall well-being as women, as Black women, and just being in a space in a time where it's desperately needed, because anything we do, it starts with our mind. You know, it's how we think about certain things. It's how we think about ourselves. I know for me, I have a lot of work to do when it comes to time. Everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own issues and stuff that they have to work through. There's no way I'm trying to say that I'm perfect or I have everything down pat, because I don't. As I grow, I learn, and as I grow, I flow. We all got shifted when this whole pandemic just came about. Like, we all shifted. Stay tuned for the latest videos. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, at Miss 𝕡𝕦𝕣𝕡𝕠𝕤, and my podcast page at Her Wellness Tree. All the links are in the description. Until next time, stay up, stay blessed, and stay true to yourself, because if you're not true to you, who's going to be true to you?